You are about to witness real disturbing footage of foreign traveler to Japan. Every 4 minutes, a foreigner in Japan is victimized by squat toilet only bathroom. This does not have to be your life. Today, we will teach you how to not fear the squat toilet. Most cases of STSD, squat toilet stress disorder, are caused by improper squatting technique. First, you must learn how to squat the Japanese way. American squat like this. This squat is unstable, leaving you prone to falling. Japanese squat like this. To switch to flat floor squat, you must shift your center of gravity forward. This position very stable. The most common squat toilet mistake is not squatting far enough. You may have heard that at least with squat toilet, you can get side workout while you pee. Hahaha, so funny joke. You are doing it wrong. When you use squat toilet, you must put pants below knees. Otherwise, your pockets become upside down while you use toilet. Many squat toilets are auto-flushing, very dangerous situation. Many people every year tricked into giving sacrifice to evil squat toilet gods. Do not let them fool you. Because peeing incorrectly, many times there is pee all over the floor. And then some people is pressing flush with their pee shoes too. Use toilet paper to flush and hover above ground so that you do not touch the floor. With these 3 tips, squat toilets are easy and relaxing to use. Don't stop hovering! Many people find they enjoy squat toilets more once they know how to use them correctly, because they are so quick to use and you do not have to touch anything. I said don't stop hovering!